Guys, let us look at this topic, skin incisions at autopsy. The primary skin incisions for opening body during autopsy, there are three types here. You have I, Y and a modified Y. As you can see in this diagram, you have an I, Y and a modified Y. Look at this diagram. So basically let us understand I-shaped incision from the chin down to symphysis pubic, passing left or right of umbilicus. See, everywhere you are avoiding umbilicus, this you will write standard in everything. Umbilicus you will avoid in everything. Okay. This is standard. Okay. Left or right, whichever side you want to go. But here, basically what you have to remember, I from the chin, right? From the chin, then through the neck, then they cut like this. Okay. Till the pubic symphysis. This is I. This is a common used incision. It is simple and it is convenient. That's what they are saying. Then, coming to Y. Now let us understand Y-shaped incision. So begin where? At the acromion process. So they are beginning here. So let's just mark here. They are beginning here. Acromion process they are beginning. Then from here where they are going? Below the breast. Across to xiphoid process. Then meet a similar incision on the opposite side of the body. And then carry this till the symphysis pubis. Okay. This is done when you want detailed examination of neck. In hanging or strangulation, you can use Y-shaped. Because you want to examine the neck carefully. Okay. Then, so let's move on to the third type here, modified Y. Modified Y-shaped incision extends from the suprasternal notch. Suprasternal notch. Where's the sternal notch? Here's the sternal notch, isn't it? This is sternum, let's say. Suprasternal notch to symphysis pubis in midline. So from here to here, midline, that is the standard it is there. Okay. It passes from suprasternal notch, it extends over clavicle to its center on both sides and then passes upward over neck behind the ear. Hold on. So here they are saying something like from the sternum to pubic symphysis, same thing only. But here from the suprasternal notch, it extends over clavicle to its center on both sides. Center of clavicle, is it? Oh, here, somewhere here it extends. So this is the clavicle, let's say. So center of clavicle, somewhere here, it extends till there, okay. From the suprasternal notch to this center of clavicle on both sides, passes upward over neck behind ear. So from here it's going till the ear, okay, behind the ear, till behind the ear they are cutting it. This is used in females or in body that has to be kept for viewing. So they are preserving the breast probably. This is used in females. So they don't want to cut around here. But here also you're not cutting around the... Okay. Anyways, so this is modified Y shape. So let's revise. I shape is from chin to pubic symphysis. So easy. Y shaped is acromion process, xiphoid process, and similarly, this is also not difficult to understand. But modified Y shape is slightly difficult to understand. Let's understand this. From suprasternal notch, no problem at all. But from here they are saying midline of clavicle behind ear. Midline of clavicle behind ear. Okay, maybe this is also not so difficult. Okay. Y is more like a this one. This is a Y. And this is more like a modified Y they are saying. I would say this is like an elongated Y. Isn't it? Yeah. This is like a Y which is a bowl shape. This is a bowl shaped Y. And this is a modified Y. So here they're saying this is for hanging cases. You can examine the neck carefully, and this is for females or if body has to be kept for viewing. Okay.